Today's unboxing is a limited edition as elusive as Atlantis. This is a collaboration between Dominant Industry and Gioia. And if you were one of the very, very many who fell in love with Dominant Industries' Log of Atlantis ink archiving book, you will love this box set. Each of the box sets includes one of Dominant Industries' Log of Atlantis ink archiving books, one of their ink archiving wood stamps, one of their Atlantis inks, and one Gioia Metis Song of Atlantis fountain pen. The Metis is a piston filler with a cigar-shaped silhouette, and the Song of Atlantis features a beautiful shimmery resin that's a gray translucent resin embedded with whirlpools of purple, silver, and blue. 5 lucky winners will receive a second Metis fountain pen that you see here. This is the Quest for Atlantis fountain pen, and it's another Metis with a blue swirling resin emulating the deep ocean currents. This special collaboration between Dominant Industry, Gioia, and Pen Chalet is a limited edition of 50 sets, and the additional 5 winners who receive the second pin, that second pin is actually a limited edition of 5. We hope you fall in love with our boxed Atlantis Explorer set, and keep in mind that every box receives the Gioia fountain pen and the Dominant Industry ink archiving book, ink, and stamp, and that just by purchasing, you could be one of 5 lucky winners who receive the second fountain pen. We wish you all the luck in the world. Get more details and shop at penchalet.com.